Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we will break down the layers of artificial intelligence from the broad umbrella of AI all the way to advanced AI agents. First, think of artificial intelligence as the giant umbrella. It includes many different fields. Under this umbrella, we have machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. Machine learning is a way to teach computers to learn patterns from data. There are three main types. Unsupervised learning finds hidden groups. Supervised learning learns from labeled examples. Reinforcement learning learns by trial and error with rewards. Deep learning is a special kind of machine learning. It uses neural networks with many layers. These layers learn shapes, edges, and patterns so they can recognize complex things like a car in a picture. Generative AI creates new content like text, images, or music. It relies on a large language model. A user asks a question, and the model generates a response based on what it learned during training. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, gives generative AI an open book. First, it retrieves facts from a vector database. Then, it combines those facts with the user question. Finally, it generates a grounded, accurate response. AI agents are the most advanced layer. They can plan steps, reason about tasks, use tools, and remember past actions. This makes them capable of completing complex goals end to end. To summarize, artificial intelligence is the umbrella. Machine learning learns patterns, deep learning uses neural networks, generative AI creates new content, RAG adds factual retrieval, and AI agents bring planning and action together. Thank you for watching.